बुज़ुर्गों की ज़िंदगी में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है अपने आप को वो अकेलापन महसूस करते हैं। घर में उनके बच्चों को समय नहीं है, वो नौकरी पे चले जाते हैं या उनके बच्चे विदेशों में रहते हैं। बच्चे जो है उनको समय नहीं दे पाते। जब वो आते हैं तब भी उनसे नहीं बोलते, वो जब वो जाते हैं तब भी नहीं बोलते हैं। ये अवेयरनेस अभी बहुत कम है, ये हमें अवेयरनेस बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। और ये अवेयरनेस तभी बढ़ सकती है जब आपके ये बच्चे जो हैं ये देश का भविष्य है। अगर इन बच्चों में अवेयरनेस हम करेंगे तभी जो है ये बुजुर्गों का सम्मान होगा।
He plays about elderly people, how they feel when they are ignored.
Now that we are involved in this play, I am getting to learn the plight of the elderly people and how people are actually treating them and how neglected they feel.
मैं भी अपने पेरेंट्स से या फिर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से भी कहता हूँ कि कभी कभार व्हेन आई एम इरिटेटेड, व्हेन आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, कि आप जाओ यहाँ से, मुझे आपसे बात नहीं करनी। तो इस प्ले इज ऑल अबाउट दिस ओनली।
We don't give grandparents time, like we don't talk to them, and this is like we don't know, but we are still doing it. So it's like they don't want to be neglected, and we also don't want to neglect them, but by chance, unconsciously, we do it.
The person is dependent on others because he is not able to do things on his own. Some people gets irritated by this and they just say them that खुद ले लो, मुझे क्या कह रहे हो?
I ignored my grandmother sometimes. She used to tell stories me when I was 5 years old. But now I feel like they are bored. I get bored when I listen to the stories now.
We ourselves cannot live without talking to people even one day. And if you think that how elders are living every day without talking to their children or being neglected, it can almost just kill you if you live their life. I've actually understood that and I've become more sensitive towards my elders.
चेंज तो मैम लाऊंगा मैं अपने में, क्योंकि आई नो दैट कि इट वॉज माई फॉल्ट, इट वॉज नॉट देयर फॉल्ट, इट वॉज नॉट माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फॉल्ट, इट वॉज माई फॉल्ट कि मैंने गलती करी थी। वो नहीं खड़े हो सकते तो मुझे उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए थी। I will bring many changes in my life after this production.
This whole production was completely life-changing for me because I know from now on I'm actually going to discuss this with all my friends, that how important it is that you respect them, you interact with them, you give importance to them, you share your things, and in fact it's kind of situation, if you interact with them you just get to learn so many things from them.
Firstly, I will hug them and say sorry that I was ignoring you. Now you can tell me your stories and I will enjoy them.
I hope that everybody who comes to see it, they are definitely going to learn something and take back a very good lesson home and apply that in their practical life.